I'm going to show you how you can insert a bullet point like this to your Google Slides presentation. So let me open a new slide and I'm going to add some bullet point right here. So the first thing you need to do is you have to place the cursor where you want to insert the bullet point, and of course you need some text box. But in this case I already have a text box, so I'm going to skip that process. Right now, if you want to insert a bullet point, you have to click this menu that's called bulleted list, or you can also use a numbered list if you want to. And by the way, on each option there is a different style where you can choose different icons for the list or for the bullet point. So you'll see that there are plenty of styles, and especially this is useful if you have a bullet point with sub bullet points or sub list. So let me just select one of them, and this is going to be list 1. And if you want to add another line, just press enter, and this will create another line where you can insert another item. But what if you want to add a sub bullet point, or you want to have a structure format for the bullet list? Well, you have to add a new one, add a new line like this, and then press the tab key on your keyboard like that. Now it's going to be a sub bullet point where you can type an item that is basically part of the previous item. So you can type here, and then if you want to add another one, just press enter again. And if you want to add yet another sub list within the sub list, just press tab again, and it's going to create you this structure. So I think this is quite useful if you have a document or you want to present something in a structured manner. But what if you want to go back to the previous sub list? You want to go back to this part of this part? Well, just press enter again, and then you have to press enter once again to go back to this structure, and then enter again if you want to go back to the main structure. So that's how you can write or how you can insert a bullet list in Google Slides.